Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Windows 8.1 32-bit version with internet in your Android with using Limbo PC Emulator. So let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Windows 8.1 32-bit version in your Android with using Limbo PC Emulator application, and I'm also going to show how you can run internet in that Windows 8.1 32-bit version. So there are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. In that videos, I've shown how you can run the many versions of the Windows like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 11, also the latest version. So I have uploaded many versions of the Windows on my YouTube channel. You can check out my previous video. There are a lot of Windows on my YouTube channel. So this is the another version of the Windows, and this is the another video. So in this video, I'm going to show how you can run Windows 8.1, the 32-bit version in your Android with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So before starting the tutorial, let me just say you this is the totally perfectly working Windows I'm showing you. So in this Windows, you can also use the internet, and you can also install any PC software. So before starting the tutorial, let me just give a quick brief of what you require in your Android to run Windows 8.1 in your Android phone. So first of all, you need an application called Limbo PC Emulator. So Limbo PC Emulator is an application available for the Android. So this is basically APK. So to run Windows 8.1, you have to install this application. So we are going to run Windows 8.1 in Limbo PC Emulator, and we are not officially going to install it in Android phone. So let's start the steps how you can run Windows 8.1 with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So before starting the tutorial, let me just give a quick brief of what you require in your Android to run Windows 8.1 in your Android phone. So first of all, you need an application called Limbo PC Emulator. So Limbo PC Emulator is an application available for the Android. So this is basically APK available for the Android, and this is the emulator application. This application called Limbo, and we can say this is the Limbo PC Emulator. So this application capable to run any type of OS like Windows, Linux. As I mentioned earlier, I have uploaded a lot of videos on my YouTube channel while showing how you can run any type of Windows and Linux also. So basically, while using this application, you can run any type of OS in your Android. So first of all, make sure you have connected with the internet. As you can see in the screen, I have connected with my Wi-Fi, and you can also use mobile data as upon you. So you have to open the Limbo PC Emulator. Why I'm telling to connect internet to your Android phone, because as I mentioned earlier, this Windows 8.1 going to access internet. It will supported by the internet, so you can use internet in this Windows 8.1. You can use internet, so that's why you have to connect. So now you have to click on the none, you have to click on the new, you have to create the machine, you have to give the machine name. I'm going to give this machine a Windows 8.1 32-bit like this, and you have to click on the custom. Because we have already Windows 8.1 file in the offline. So now you have to get into the board. You have to skip the user interface. You don't need to do any settings in the user interface. You have to get into the board. Now you have to click on the CPU model. As I mentioned earlier, this is the 32-bit, so I'm going to select Core 2 Duo processor, and CPU cores you have to select 4, and RAM will depend on your smartphone specifications. I'm going to select about 2 GB RAM, more than enough for the Windows 8.1, and you have to click on the enable MTTCG, and you have to uncheck disable TSC. So this is all the settings you have to do in the board. Now you have to get into the disk. You have to click on the disk A. You have to click on the open. Now you have to locate the Windows 8.1 VSD file that we have extracted before after downloading the Windows zip file. So as you can see, this is the Windows 8.1 VSD file. You have to select this. After selecting, you have to scroll down. You have to get into the network. As I mentioned earlier, the Windows is supported by the internet, so we are going to select the Windows card. You have to select RTL8139. So this is the card you have to select. So this is the settings you have to do in the Limbo in the network. So we have done all the settings. So let me just turn on the screen rotation, turn the Android phone. The reason why I have turned my Android phone so you can get the better view for the better understanding. So as you can see, we have done all the settings in the Limbo PC emulator. Now you have to just click on the play button. After clicking play button, as you can see, it will saying booting from hard disk. It means the Windows 8.0 file has been successfully supported by the Limbo PC emulator and it will be booting. So here you have to wait for movements. It will going to boot in your Android phone. So as you can see, Windows 8.1 logo has been appeared in the screen. So let me just fast forward this video and come back after the Windows 8.1 has been successfully booted in my Android. So as you can see in the screen, finally the Windows 8.1 32-bit has been successfully booted in my Android phone, and it will take a few minutes to boot. It will all depend on your smartphone specifications. The booting time will depend on your smartphone specifications. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Limbo PC emulator and this is my Android phone, and as you can see, this is the Windows 8.1 32-bit running in Android. So this is the mouse cursor. While using volume button, you can get the more options like a mouse, where the volume up button of your Android phone is the mouse left button, and the volume down button will be the mouse right button. As you can see, just now I have pressed the volume down button and get the more options. Let me just click to refresh. So this Windows is not in the English language, but soon I'm going to make a video on how you can change the language of any Windows. So there are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. In that videos I have shown many versions of the Windows, and some of the Windows are not in the English language, so many people get problem. But if you know how to use Windows, you can use easily. You don't need to worry about the language. But still, if you want to change language, soon I'm going to make a video on it, how you can change the language of any Windows. So there is a process of you have to download the language then. So as you can see in the screen, this is the fully working Windows. So just now I've clicked to so this is the menu. So let me just get back to the desktop, and as I already mentioned while setting up this Windows 8.1 is supported by the internet, and as you can see, the internet driver has been successfully supported over here, as you can see in the screen. So let me just open the computer first of all to show you the storage. This Windows 8.1 32-bit have a lot of storage in it. So as you can see in the screen, approximately 137 GB, and it will be about 132 GB free after the Windows. So you can install a lot of softwares. So in my previous video I've already shown how you can install software in Windows. In that video I've shown how you can install and run any Windows PC software in Windows XP. So now more upcoming videos on my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos. In my upcoming video I try to show how you can install and run any PC software in Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11 also. So soon I'm going to make videos on it, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for that upcoming videos. So now let us just test the internet's working or not. So after that I will going to end this video. As you can see in the screen, just now I've opened the Internet Explorer. So this is the very old version. So as you can see, the internet is supported and internet is working. It will open the Bing web page. So let me just type any website over here. So I'm going to type the www.google.com to show you whether internet is working or not in this Internet Explorer and in this Windows 8.1 32-bit. So just now I've maximize the screen size. So as you can see, just now I've typed the www.google.com in the Microsoft Bing search engine and it will searching over here. So make sure you have having a good internet. So as you can see, it successfully search in the Microsoft. You can also install the Chrome. So this is the very old version of the Internet Explorer. That's why it taking very long time to open, and at the movement the internet is also slow, but if you're having a good internet, it will going to work very fast. And you can also install Chrome browser. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you how you can install any PC software like Chrome browser. Also I'm going to show how you can install and run Chrome browser in any Windows while using the Limbo PC emulator. So you can use a fully working PC in your Android at any time. So you can use PC or Windows and your Android phone as well together. While like this, you can get back to your Android. You can use your Android phone while opening the Limbo PC emulator. You can directly open the Windows. So you can use Windows and Android together. So just now search the google.com and it will open in the Microsoft Bing. So the internet is very slow at the moment, so I'm going to just close this Internet Explorer. So as you can see, the internet is perfectly working in this Windows 8.1. You just need a good browser and the internet to use internet, and you can also install any PC software. So how you can do that in my upcoming video I try to show. So as you can see, this is the Windows 8.1 32-bit perfectly working in Android with the internet. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Windows 8.1 32-bit has been successfully working in Android with using Limbo PC emulator. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.